Thank you for buying this 10125 countertop hat display from Fixture Displays. In this video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put this unit together. The base is a cross two-piece construction, male and female, and then two section tubes, three hubs, and the hat holders themselves and hardware. To begin, we want to install the levelers to the two legs, and you can adjust levelers to a desired evenness. The base is cross like that, and then you sit the lower tube flange right on top and line up the four holes, then fasten with four long screws. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Now we're going to insert the cotter pins. The cotter pin acts as a stopper for the hubs. Then use a pair of pliers, bend the opening, and then you can slide down one hub at a time. Now we're ready to work on the second cotter pin and hub. In the same family, we also have a floor unit 18164. That's the part number you can search on fixturedisplays.com. We also have another hat rack that is 18165. Now we're going to fasten the two tubes together. The tube is already pre-threaded, so you don't have to look for a nut. We also, in addition to countertop and floor version, we also have a wall mount version. Feel free to reach out to us. I'll be happy to share the links with you. Now we're inserting the hat holders, and each layer can rotate independently. I'm going to give you some dimensions of this rack. The overall length and width is 21 inches, and total height is 38 inches. The entire unit weighs about 7 pounds. If you like our video, please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel for more new and exciting products. And we can always use a good review if you liked your experience. On rare occasion, people do feel this rack is a little large, so do observe the dimensions before making your purchase. Thank you.